Hello, my name is Nahalie Stidhem, and I'm from Comal County. I'm a Healthy Texas Youth Ambassador, and I'm with Texas AgriLife Extension. Today, I will be describing how to use an apple slicer. This professional quality tool is pressed down over the apple to make 8 uniform slices and remove the core. To use this tool, you want to center it over your apple and firmly press down. An important safety tip is to make sure your fingers aren't underneath the slicer when you're pressing down. Another important safety tip is you can also use a towel under your cutting board to make sure that the board does not slip when you're pressing down on your apple. Other uses for this tool is you can use it on pears, tomatoes, potatoes, or onions. A few different things you could do with your apple slices is put multiple spreads on it, such as peanut butter or almond butter. You could also use apple slices in baked apple slices or in an apple pie.